Oh, is he crashed? Is he crashed? Oh my! Wow.
Wait.
That, because he's so brave, he can get away in that. Oh, he's trying to be tapping him. Oh, spikes, spikes, spikes. Whoa. Ooh. UK, so apparently this dude is in a Volkswagen Scirocco, so not even a fast car, and it's in the UK. I haven't seen this video, and we're gonna watch together and give him a rating for the series of is he a Hoodstig out of 10, how good he really is. So let's jump straight into it.
Bishoport Avenue.
Bishoport Avenue.
70020.
Volkswagen Scirocco. I've driven one of those. I really like them cars. This could be an R or a diesel. I'm gonna say it's a diesel, you know. Whoa, whoa!
The area is high as it mounts the pavement to go around a vehicle.
That was mental. That's definitely a diesel. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a loss.
Oh, Type R, Type R,
wrong
guys.
side of the road.
It's a Type R.
Oh
God, he's crazy.
No pedestrians.
Forget opposite side of the lane. He's driving on curbs.
No pedestrians.
DPD.
We're back onto the road, and we're right.
This looks so recent. This does. Wow, the police catched him up fast.
DRA is high.
Oh, is he crashed? Is he crashed? Oh my!
DRA is high. It tries to undertake
Mobility.
on the pavement.
He really wants to get away, doesn't
Back
he?
down to medium.
It's not back down to medium. He's in the wrong car, you know. But fair play. It's probably a 140 brake car. See, you can drive slow car fast. We're doing a video about that, guys. Wow.
Wait.
That, because he reacts quick. He's definitely a getaway driver.
Sorry, Jake. DRA
I'll
is
give
high.
him that.
Composite mounts pavement on the
But
offside
he's
again.
absolutely dangerous.
If I don't have MPAS soon, I
He doesn't care about the pedestrians or the driver. That was pretty tight, that was. I like the way people are trying to help him.
MPAS, how far away, please?
I think if he was in a fast that car, he'd probably get away from the police. But he's got so much, he's so brave, he can get away in that. Oh, he's trapped, he's trapped. Oh no, 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 he's getting away. Should have went and overtook him then.
MPAS,
Properly.
confirm overhead, yes, yes?
He must know this area back of his hand.
Yes,
Commentary.
Mitch, if you've
We're
got
commentary
either
here,
then, I'll back
boys.
off from the subject vehicle. Mitch, have you got it ready?
He's going for it. Dangerous.
Yeah, it's going to be the next vehicle.
Wow. He's ruthless. Let's see the way tapping the brakes. Oh, spikes, spikes, spikes. Whoa. Sorry guys, I don't want to interrupt. I don't want to interrupt when I'm doing it, but there's a pedestrian in the bike right there. Look at the way he dodges it. Look. The guy had to jump out the way. This guy doesn't care, like he's life and death right now, he is. They had to get the chopper out. If the police stopped it, fair enough.
Back down Daisy Road towards,
Should have got the copper out. Should have got the chopper out ages ago.
Yeah, that's the seat, mate. We're St. Philip's Causeway. Junction of Red ATS at Junction of
He's
Daisy
really
Road,
trying to
mate.
get away. Ooh.
We're right. We're
Oh, still getting chased. This is it now. He's done. He's done. It's finished. Oh wow. No way. He's not getting away from that. Are they blocked him in? Are the police like pushing him? Oh, he's done. They're done. They're finished. That's it. 1 PM broad daylight. 2025. Tasers. They need more of that in America, you know. He's cleaning his back window. I can't hear it, but right, there is so much to say in that video. I just can't believe the amount of times he almost hit a mobility driver. He almost went over a person on a bicycle. He drove in between roads where the people are walking. I don't know what to say. He's a crazy driver. Whether there's skill involved in that, I'm not too sure. He just knows that area and he knows how to drive over curbs. But would he have gotten away if he was in a faster car? Could he apply the same skill? I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna say he's gave it a good go, but very, very dangerous. Like if I was a getaway driver, I probably wouldn't risk driving like that, putting pedestrian lives at danger. I would just, keep it safe. But the way he's driving, he didn't care. So in terms of skill in a car like that, trying to get away from the police in a slow car and his quick turns, he's not really a safe driver. I'll probably give him a 6 out of 10. But you guys might think differently, so I'll let you guys comment down below what you think. 0 out of 10. The Hoodstig. Is he a Hoodstig in the series? Drop a comment down below. If you guys enjoyed that, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And could he be the Hoodstig series? Peace out, guys.